Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4 and I will show you how you can make hard reset of this earbuds. It's very simple. You have to open case of your FreeBuds 4, then take a look on the right side. You will find this button right here. As you can see, I'm currently connected. So to hard reset, we have to click and hold this button on the right side, click and hold it and keep holding. As you can see right now, we are on pair from our application, but you have to keep holding. And when this indicator starts blinking on the red color, you have to release that button, and after a few moments they will be reset to the defaults and we are able to set it up them again. As you can see, we are connecting and we are okay. There's some kind of the bug right here, but here we are connected with this application when you tap to connect. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.